today I'm gonna make some cheesy kimchi fried rice. It is absolutely delicious, so let's just get started. The ingredients we need are rice, which is over there, cheese sticks. I'm using mozzarella sticks because it has that string effect. If you can get shredded mozzarella, that is even better. Get it. You could use any cheese you want, by the way. Any type of meat you want. I'm using short ribs. Most importantly, some kimchi. And also 2 eggs and 1 shallot. And green onions. So we're gonna cut off the ends and then start chopping. Make sure you chop it very, very thinly. I'm crying right now, guys, so I'm gonna go chop some kimchi, our most important ingredient. Oh, that smells good. Oh my god, I'm crying. Oh my god. Now chop it into chunks. Cut them as to your liking. I like them like bite-sized pieces. Oh my god, I'm crying. From the green onion. I think we're gonna use all the kimchi today. Sorry you can't see me right now because my mom just loves my camera. Or short ribs. Or any type of meat you want. Well, if you're using cooked meat, make sure you don't overcook it, so don't overheat it. Like, don't cook it in the pan. Like, if you're using raw meat, you can ignore what I just said. Hey, so we're on the pan. Make sure you have an adult help with this. You have some oil. Wait for that to get hot. Do you think it's hot? Just wait.
Turn on the fan.
And then turn on the fan. That's what I usually do.
Salad.
Now I'm gonna stick a tester.
Salad.
Okay. Now we're gonna add some. I'm not gonna add a tester. So I'm gonna put some finely sliced shallot. Looks hot. Maybe these shallots were frozen earlier. Why did you have to freeze shallot?
Because we didn't use it. Everything we have leftover. We're freezing it so we can ready to use it next time.
I just splashed myself, but that's the part of cooking, yo. Woo! Okay, I'm good. These need to defrost. Okay, they're all cooked. So
Meat.
we're gonna add the meat. Okay, it's ready.
Kimchi.
Now, time to add kimchi.
You need your napkin and rinse your hands after, right?
Should I add green onions?
Not now.
Kimchi.
Put in the kimchi broth. Put that plate down. Put that plate down.
Huh?
Put that plate down.
And I'm gonna. My mom's guiding me right now.
Okay? Put in the kimchi
And now
broth.
we're gonna add kimchi liquid. That's probably a little bit.
Okay, now you put the rice in and you're done.
Now time to add.
No, hold on.
I just added some pepper flakes and added some Korean gochugaru, which is like pepper help me? Oh, that looks so good. Keep adding more rice while I'm mixing it in. My mom's doing it, so I'm gonna make the eggs. Oh, this is how we're gonna make the eggs. I'm sorry for being super unorganized. Here we have a couple eggs, 2. Throw these away. And we're gonna season them with salt, okay, so we have 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of salt, some MSG. I know MSG is not good for you, but it makes our food taste better. And pepper. Here we have our eggs set up. And there's like more ingredients we're gonna put in, and that is nori. Oh, we're out of seaweed. And right, we are back. We are back again, my friends, with the chef and the co-chef. Yeah, we have to get all the rice clumps out, and right now I'm mixing the eggs nicely, thoroughly, deliciously. Right now, the approximate eggs you need is 2. And then we're gonna put the eggs in the middle. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit so the egg can cook. This is gonna take a little while, so why not just tell a story for a little bit? I just got back from the dentist. And my teeth are feeling really, really weird. So my mom's it's starting to cook. Just mix it around a little bit because we're scrambling the eggs. But you can do it any way you want. Like you can do a poached egg. That's good. Fried egg, that's even better. So I know I talk too much. So you're just gonna start mixing. We have to mix it with the eggs.
Yeah, but we need to start peeling it, right?
Yeah, we need to start peeling the cheese.
Because we're out of cheese. That's why.
Start mixing the eggs. Should I start mixing it in yet?
Just see that.
More so the eggs can get a little brown on the bottom. That's how we like it. I think we need like 3 sticks of cheese, probably.
Okay. I think I'm sorry I didn't pour the other rice. I get burnt.
We like having like the burnt rice on the bottom. That's also really good too. I feel like we kind of overcooked the meat a little bit because the meat was already cooked. And incorporate all the eggs with the rice. Oh! It's just the heat flare. Huh? It's good. Let's taste it. Get a bite.
Is it tasty, dear?
It needs a little bit more salt.
Okay. Weird, huh?
A little bit more salt right now. We'll start mixing the kimchi, fried rice.
Okay.
All that deliciousness is going to be incorporated in
How's
this.
it taste? Yeah.
I'm still mixing it in. I like that crispy burnt rice on the bottom.
Okay, so I think that's good. Let's bring forward.
Let's add the cheese. The mozzarella. Nice mozzarella cheese. I love the cheese on the top.
More?
And now we just need to let it melt for a couple minutes. You can add as much cheese as you want on this. You know, just give it a taste.
Oh, there we go.
The kimchi. Now we're just gonna wait for the cheese to melt. Let this sit for a while, and I'll tell you when it's ready. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks amazing. All we have to do is just put on, finish with our green onions. And oh, look at that. Does that look delicious, Ma? Man.
Yeah.
That looks insane. That looks so good, guys. Now, let's go on the plate.
We are not decided to cook. Okay, all done.
Yay. Let's taste it. Okay, guys, we're finished. Oh my God, look at that. This looks so good. Take your first bite. My bite is really small. That is so good. I did so well. Kimchi. So tasty. There's my favorite part. Just this crispy rice on the bottom. So good.
So spicy.
Don't forget about the green onion. It's really spicy though. So I really encourage you guys to try this recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.